The Tamil Nadu government has decided to boycott the meeting discussing the implementation of the National Education Policy 2020. Now, this meeting, which is currently underway, was boycotted by Tamil Nadu. This comes after the Tamil Nadu School Education Minister Mahesh Poyamuri on Sunday wrote to the Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal to include him in the online discussions on implementing the National Education Policy of 2020. Let's go across to Apurva, who's reporting live on this. Apurva, give us more details of why Tamil Nadu essentially wants to boycott this meeting for the implementation of the National Education Policy.
Well, what we are given to know at this time is that yesterday we had seen the Tamil Nadu's School Education Minister Anbil Mahesh writing a letter to Mahesh Pokhriyal as well, and he has also, he had also suggested and requested that ministers, those who are in a higher administrative level, be a part of the NEP meeting that is underway today. But sources say that because there wasn't any response that had been received back from the centre, that is why no representatives or officials from the Tamil Nadu government were present in this meeting that is currently underway. Remember, Tamil Nadu government over the last few meetings regarding the national education policy as well has seen the health secretary and the other secretary officials who had been a part of the meeting, but not the ministers themselves. And given this is the situation now, with the change of the cabinet, with the change of the government as well, and the new ministers who have been inducted, the new school education minister Anbil Mahesh had also written a letter requesting that he be part of the meeting that is underway right now regarding new education policy, as well as several other important decisions that will be taken in the meeting today. And with no response that had been received from the centre, that is why no officials had taken part in the meeting that is currently underway.
So, Apurva, we are essentially seeing another confrontation brewing between the Tamil Nadu government and at least, the centre as far as the new education policy of 2020 is concerned. For the moment, Apurva, thank you very much for joining us with the latest on that.